Hello, my dear kids. Hope you all safe in your home. I'm going to teach you first standard EVS second lesson, that is the food we eat. Before going to lesson, in previous session we learnt various body parts, right? Yes. The work or function of body depend on what you eat daily. What you eat daily. That's why you should eat healthy food. If you eat lots of junk food, then you will become not healthy. Then your body will not function properly. That's why you should eat good and healthy food. Come, let's know about food and why we need food. Okay? We have food when we are hungry. We have food when we are hungry. We eat food when we are hungry. Okay? So you can see here a beautiful family having a meal. On the table we have different types of food, right? We have fruits, chapatis, rice, dal. They are eating very happily. Okay? Do you ever ask why we need food? Do you feel like that? Yes, we need food. Why? Because food helps us to grow. Yes, food helps us to grow. Now you are a first standard kids, right? In next year you will go to second standard, means you will you will grow from year to year, day to day. Okay, your body will grow. You become tall and healthy. Food makes us strong and healthy. Food makes us strong and healthy. Food gives us energy to work and play. Food gives us what? Energy. We use energy to work and play. Okay. We have different kinds of food, right? We eat sometimes during breakfast, we eat sometimes sandwich, idli, dosa, like that we eat, no? So we have different kinds of food, we will see. We eat different kinds of food, that is milk, fish, eggs and pulses helps us to grow. Fruits and vegetables keeps us healthy. That's why you should eat daily any one of the food. Then you become very healthy. Rice, sugar, butter, chapati and bread gives us energy. Rice, sugar, butter, chapati and bread gives us what? Energy. Okay. Where does food come from? Yes, the food we eat, whatever we eat, no, those all foods come from, whether it may be plants or it may be animals. Some of the foods we get from animals, some of the foods we get from plants. Okay, we get fruits, vegetables and pulses from plants. We get fruits, vegetables and pulses from plants. We get milk, eggs and meat from animals. Ice cream, butter, ghee, cheese and curd are made from milk. Okay? Meals of the day. We eat 3 main meals in a day. We eat 3 main meals in a day. That is one at morning, that is breakfast time, another one at afternoon, another one at night. So we have breakfast in the morning. We have the breakfast in the morning. We have lunch in the afternoon. We have lunch in the afternoon. We have dinner at night. So what are the food we eat during the morning time? We call it as breakfast. What are the foods we will take during the afternoon time? Then we call it as lunch. What are the food we take during the night time that we call it as dinner? Understood? Totally we have 3 meals, that is breakfast, lunch, dinner. Okay, next thing, we need water. Why we need water? We will see why we need water. Our body also needs water. Water helps us to digest the food we eat. What are the food we eat? No, those all food will digest by using of water. Okay, we must drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. You should drink daily 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. Then you become very healthy. Good eating habits. Okay, so good eating habits. If you want to become good, then you should follow the good habits. We will see what are those habits. Eat clean and fresh food. You should eat daily clean and fresh food. Eat your meals at the same time every day. Don't be late. Eat with your mouth closed. Eat with your mouth closed. Eat slowly. Don't eat fast. Eat slowly. Chew your food very well. Then it become digest easily. Wash your hands before and after eating. Before going to meal, you should clean your hands. Rinse your mouth after meals. You should rinse your mouth after a meals. Take only as much food as you can finish. Never waste food. You should never waste food. How much food you want? No, you should take that much only. Okay. Now we will see quick recap on this session, on this second chapter. Okay. In this lesson we learnt why we need food, types of food, where does food come from, meals of the day, we need water and good eating habits. We will see again. We eat food to grow. We eat food to grow, to stay healthy and to get energy. That's why we need food. We should eat different kinds of food. We should eat different kinds of food. We get food from both plants and animals. Breakfast, lunch and dinner are the 3 meals we have every day. Water is good for us. We must drink plenty of water. We must have good eating habits. So these all things in this session. We will meet with another session with new topic and new lesson. Until then, stay safe. Thank you.